Art is a code of communication. In an important private Florentine collection, a 17th century painting representing the martyrdom of San Lorenzo dialogues with the installation of 15 paintings entitled Terre Silenti by the artist Stefano Mariotti. As art is a universal language that goes beyond styles and time, the spirituality of the 17th century painting by an unknown author is reflected in the contemporary spirituality of Stefano Mariotti's work. They are different visions that do not bother each other. Indeed, they complete an infinite journey where past, present and future merge ideally, returning to the starting point of art, communicating.